Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this like soft pink romantic makeup look. As you can see, I just needed to wake up a little bit, so I had some coffee, but right now I'm just putting on some moisturizer and rubbing that into my face. Some of these clips are going to be fast paced just because I don't want to bore you guys, but it's always important to prep your skin, your lips, everything before you start putting makeup on. And there was a good song on, so dance break. But anyways, yeah, you make sure you prep your skin, and I also do some facial spray before I start. And I decided to start with my eyebrows. Sometimes I start with my eye makeup, sometimes I do my brows. It just depends on the day and on clients. So I just kind of flip back and forth. I just kind of grab whatever to start with. But my eyebrows need to be regroomed and everything. So please bear with me on that. They do not look perfect, so I understand that, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I do with just the pencil. I started using the Balm concealer that they have, and it wasn't actually too bad. It canceled out some of my dark circles and some redness, but it's not as smooth as I would like it to be, so I might add some like serum in there to kind of soften it up. But I really liked the coverage it gave, so I'm just kind of trying this out, so I wanted to show you guys. But then I go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind just to conceal my lids and the bottom of my lids to do some eye makeup, and I'm just taking a mini beauty blender to kind of blend all that out. Alright, I did not show this clip, but I set my eyes with the Vanilla Bean by Makeup Geek. These are all going to be Makeup Geek shadows, by the way. And then I just go in with a little bit of Latte and Creme Brulee in my crease, and I'm just kind of buffing that out, kind of being able to get a transition shade in there. And then now I'm going in with this, it's like a pinky shimmery brown color, but it's not like super shimmery. It's called Cinderella by Makeup Geek. I really love this shade. It's so beautiful. As you can see there, it picks up the brown a little bit, but also has a pink undertone. It's really pretty. And then I'm just going to get that to the desired pigment that I want. I really light-handed with this because these shadows are super pigmented. So just go in with a light hand. And then now I'm going in with, let me see, it's Cupcake. And this is more of a pinky color. It's a little darker of a pink, but I really love this, and I just kind of blew that out in the crease and a little bit into the outer corner to kind of darken everything up. And I'm just going to keep going in and touching up and making sure everything looked the way I want it to. And then I'm going in on the lid with Whimsical. It's one of their foiled shadows. I really love this color. It's kind of a pinky color. But I didn't like how the color payoff came on my brush, and I even sprayed my brush too. But these shadows work really well with your finger, weirdly enough, or like a Q-tip. For some reason, they just work better that way, but you can see the color payoff is so much better. But I loved how this looked, and I just put this in the inner corner and a little bit onto the lid. Alright, now I'm just going in with some concealer that I have. This is the Age Rewind by Maybelline. It looks like a lot, but I'm really just lightly touching this. It's just a light color, so, and I know I look attractive, but I'm just taking a beauty sponge that's a little damp, nothing crazy, and just blending this out really quick. I also just blended out a little bit more of that concealer on the bottom because it wasn't fully blended. Now I'm just going to do a little bit more spray because I felt my face was a little dehydrated today. And then I'm just going in with my CoverGirl 3-in-1 foundation and blending that in with my beauty sponge. And again, it's just slightly damp, nothing crazy. So, and I'm just going to blend that down on my neck, a little bit on my ears and the forehead, and make sure you really blend into the hairline. That's really important. Alright, foundation is on, and now I'm going to go in with a little bit of cream contour. I'm not going anything too crazy, just a little light natural contour here. This is the NYX contour stick, but I am just going in a little bit on the nose, a little bit on the forehead, a little bit on my neckline, and right on my jawline. Again, you can see this is really light. I didn't want to do anything too crazy, but just wanted to kind of blend that in and give a little shape to my face. And now I'm just going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm taking the lightest contour shade with this e.l.f. contour brush, and I'm just going to lightly go over the areas that I did the cream contour. And then when I do that, I'm going to blend out the contour with a stippling brush that really gives a nice airbrush look. As you can see, the stippling brush just gives it a nice blended look, but you're not blending it out too much, which seems to be my problem and everybody's problem when they have contours. So try that trick. And I'm just going in with a light powder for the rest of my face. Now I'm going in with the Tarte blush. I believe this is the birthday one or whatever. I got it for free, but I really liked it. It's like a pinky neutral shade. And remember, blush, you always want to go in a little bit more, not looking like a clown, but just a little bit more, and then you can blend it out with a stippling brush, because blush is one of the first things to fade on your face, so just remember that. Alright, now I went back in a little bit with that contour color because I lost a little bit of it. And now I'm just going in with the waterline. I'm using the Maybelline, I think, Skinny eyeliner. I really love this because it gives a more precise line, because I don't want anything too thick. And again, I'm just going to speed up this clip, but going in the waterline and up at the top too, so make sure you do that. And now I'm just going in on the bottom waterline, and I'm adding the colors that I did on the top lid to the bottom lid. Again, just putting Cinderella and then Cupcake on top of each other, and I already have that foil shadow a little bit in the inner corner. Now I'm going in with mascara. You can use any mascara. This one, I believe, is the telescopic one. I like this one because I have long lashes, so it really helps separate them. But I do need to get a volumizing mascara, so if you guys have any suggestions, please just leave them below. And make sure you get the other side as well. You really want to get in at that base. That's my trick with mascara. And then kind of brush in lightly where areas you can't get in, like especially the inner corner. Now I'm just going in with my eyelash curler. Well, I do the eyelash curler before I put mascara on, and I just put it on lightly after I do my mascara, just because my lashes are so long, they really need that extra help to kind of get lifted. It's just a trick I use. So, and then I'm going in with my liquid eyeliner. I'm still trying to get used to what liner I really like. I dabble back and forth between gel and liquid and pens, and so if you guys have any good ones, please leave them in the comment section. I'm always loving to try new stuff. So, and I am just going to do a line lightly on top of my lid. I'm not doing a wing or anything. And now I'm just going in with this Tarte lip color. I really don't remember what the name of this is, guys, but I know it's like a nude shade. And I just went in with like a little bit of eyeliner on the sides because this kind of spread it out a little bit. So I just wanted to make sure that my lips were lined lightly. So I just went all the way around lightly with a lip pencil. And then I'm just going to blend it in a little bit with my finger, the color, to kind of give it a natural look here. And the color was a little dark, so I just went in with I think this is Naked Dolly by Too Faced, just to give it a little bit of a lighter color. And I went in with just a lip gloss. Any lip gloss will do. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you really like it. It's just a nice, like, go out kind of makeup look. But I really love the pink tones and everything because it's my favorite color. So if you guys want to see anything next, just comment below. I love making these videos for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.